Olympic windsurfing events sees athletes from 60 countries across 6 continents competing in this exciting sport. It's not just popular but also accessible to young athletes from many nations. With its wide appeal, it's now the second best supported class in Olympic sailing. The discipline has grown in strength and depth since the RSX was first introduced in 2008. Young talent are turning to windsurfing instead of dinghy sailing. The Youth Development Pathway with the Techno is a feeder class for the Olympic RSX boards, and it's booming, with a record entry of over 400 young sailors competing at its World Championships. Windsurfing is different from all the other Olympic classes. The RSX is the most versatile sailing class in terms of speed. Competitive racing can take place in light to strong wind conditions, from 4 to 30 knots of wind speed. RSX windsurfing is one of the fastest Olympic classes. Buying RSX equipment is one of the least expensive routes into Olympic sailing. Windsurfing events are one of the most colourful in the Olympic sailing family, and certainly one of the most dynamic of all the sailing disciplines, with the athletes being some of the fittest of all. The new racing format, with reaching starts and finishes in medal races, offers much more excitement. Spectators have a clear view of what's going on, whilst the slalom courses make the racing even more spectacular. The RSX class isn't standing still though. It's a progressive class, staying up to date with the latest sailing technologies like foiling. Windsurfing, one of the most successful and competitive sailing classes of the Olympic Games.